YouTube subscribers stay for years. TikTok followers grow much faster. TikTok gives you massive views fast. Views are nice, but YouTube builds loyal subscribers. Numbers matter! YouTube viewers return because they subscribe intentionally. TikTok keeps pushing my content to new people every day. New people are not the same as loyal fans. YouTube engagement builds strong community conversations. Viral attention spreads faster. YouTube subscribers stay for years. TikTok followers grow much faster. Growth is different from loyalty. Quick views create momentum. Loyal fans create stability. Which one matters more to you? Comment below!